I am disappointed. In fact, I'm shocked with ALEF Education's listing price today. Stalkers, welcome back. We will discuss ALEF Education in a while. Let's have a quick update on the market indexes. This is the daily chart of DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. Today's closing is very negative. Yesterday market gave us a hope. It crossed and closed above 4,000 points. That was resistance. We saw many a times it was trying to break out. It was getting rejected. For almost a week it was struggling to break 4,000 points. Finally yesterday we saw a breakout candle, and then today it's exactly opposite what it did yesterday. So this can be a clear-cut failure, and if that happens, in case if this zone, that is 3,980, does not hold it, then there are very good chances it can aggressively come down and visit 3,930 points. That is next identified support area. So with today's closing, again market sentiments are negative. With yesterday's closing, there were at least hopes that it would try and climb up to revisit 4,030 points and then 4,050 points respectively. Today was a bloody day. We can see biggies like Emaar Properties, Emirates NBD Bank, DIB, Emaar Development all were under selling pressure, and hence we are seeing its effect on the market index as well. This is not at all a good scenario. If tomorrow market does not survive, or if we do not see a green candle again tomorrow, then this will be very negative. As it is, market index is in a downtrend. We may see a follow through and it can even break past 3,930 points. Overall trend is still to the downside. This is the daily chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Today it printed a red candle, but lately we were discussing it was taking a pause right here near the resistance, that is 8,980 points, and we saw a breakout as well. This was very positive. Yesterday it printed a dodgy candle, that is indecisive, and today we are seeing continuous selling pressure in the market almost throughout the day. Heavy weighted stock on the market index, that is IHC, fell down, and we are seeing its effect on the market index. Let's understand the price action. I think there is still hope for ADX market. It's still looking better than DFM. Let me give you my reason. We can see a fall from about 9,180. From here it came down till 8,700. And from here we are seeing a recovery phase. I have been mentioning again and again, this move to the upside is not a trend, it's only a recovery of this drop to the downside. So let's not consider this as a trend. So after this big move to the upside, we want to see a correction phase. If this is a correction candle, then market is still safe, it's positive, because there are chances it may break to the upside and continue its upside momentum to revisit 9,160 area. As we are seeing, recovery started from this area, that is 8,700. Almost all green candles, we did not see any correction happening. So I'm taking a benefit of doubt. This is the correction candle. Either it can go sideways from here and then potentially we can see a breakout, or it can even recover immediately tomorrow and close above 9,000 points. This scenario would be obviously bullish, and then we can expect a follow through in the market. Once this swing is taken out, that is 9,180, then I'm expecting a follow through. But still there is a big gap remaining. There is still a lot of work to be done by bulls. They have to flex their muscles tomorrow. It's a testing day tomorrow. In case the low of this candle, that is 8,873, is broken, then there are very good chances first support is at 8,775, and then it can even come down exactly at the same zone, that is 8,700. As I have been mentioning, then there are chances it will make a double bottom chart pattern, and once this moves up after the breakout of neckline, that is at 9,000 points, then we will consider a bullish chart pattern breakout. But for that, market has to come down and then it has to struggle up to break the resistance. That is a lot of work to be done. For now, with today's closing, market index is bit negative. As I mentioned, I'm taking benefit of doubt. This candle is just a correction of this rally to the upside. We can see a small correction and then we should see a follow through. So when we will get the confirmation that this candle is just a correction and it's not a lower high. So once we see a breakout of this area, mark it on your charts as well. Once we see a candle close above 9,000 points, we will get a confirmation that correction is now over, and from here there are chances market will start continuing its upside momentum and it may retest this area, that is 9,180. So that's the reason I mentioned ADX market index is still looking better to me than DFM. But overall, ADX index is also in a downtrend. This is the daily chart of ALEF Education that got listed today. We are just seeing one candle because today was its listing. It opened exactly at 1.35. I was totally shocked. Trust me guys, I did not expect it to open exactly at the offering price. In fact, no one would have expected that. People have invested millions and millions. If at all it opens exactly at the same price, then what's the point of investing? As an investor, if I'm putting in my money here at 1.35, I want it to open at least at 1.40, 1.45 so that I can book my gains. But this is very nasty. This is very wrong. I did not like the opening. I was totally shocked. No wonder we are seeing tremendous selling pressure because it opened at 1.35. People started to offload their stocks. Now let me go down to lower time frames and see how it performed during the day. This is the 15 minutes chart right here. It opened at 1.35. We did not even see ALEF going 1 cent higher from its listing price. Immediately selling pressure started. It went down till about 1.09. Some relief came in, but that was very short-lived. We can see some recovery coming in, exactly 50% of this drop to the downside, and 1.25 got resisted. This is a tough nut for ALEF as of now. I bought some small quantities and I offloaded during the day itself. My first entry was around 1.15, then I entered at 1.20. When I saw this red candle, I offloaded it immediately. By the way, I did not subscribe this IPO. I wanted to buy in big quantities at the time of listing, but looking at today's current condition, I was very disappointed. I entered with very small quantities. I was in and out very quickly. So what can happen from here? I'm sure many of you must be holding and they are looking forward how ALEF will unfold tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow is a testing day for ALEF. If at all it can print green candle tomorrow on daily chart, then there are very good chances it can even go retest 1.35 and even go past above it very soon. On the negative side, if at all it cannot survive at current zone that is between 1.15 and 1.20, then there are chances it would like to visit 1.10, establish a base here, and it can even drop down till 1.00. This is the next area where it can potentially come. It's a round figure. Maybe we will see some buying here. By the way, let me tell you, ALEF is a new listing, so market as per the rule gives it 3 days. There is no limit up, there is no limit down. So still there are chances it can fly higher or it can drop down. There is no limit set. So what I want to see is 1.25 taken out tomorrow. If at all we can see a candle close above this area, that is 1.25, then there are very good chances we may see upside momentum in ALEF and it would be a buying opportunity. Buying ALEF before it breaks this area of resistance would be very risky because we can already see tremendous selling pressure. There is some recovery. If this is a lower high, then definitely there must be a lower low. However, on the opposite side, as I just mentioned, if this is a higher low, then we will see a higher high very soon. I know it's a bit technical, many of you must be confused, but don't worry, keep watching the videos, you will understand how to read the price action. For now, to summarize, need of the hour is to break out 1.25 and also close above this zone. Once this is done, then we have a good hope it will start a trend to the upside. I hope you understood and this video was helpful. Do not forget to hit the like button to show your support. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.